viewers. So this was our trip to Guwahati. Now from Guwahati, we are moving towards Shillong. As all of us know, Shillong is known as the Scotland of the East. Shillong, this is famous for its exuberant places like caves, waterfalls, and extremely beautiful lakes and rivers. So friends, with this, we begin our travel towards Shillong. Shillong was born in the laps of nature and offers every one of its bequeath element for exploration to the wanderlust. The amazing series of waterfalls, the mystic mountain peaks, crystal clear water lakes, breathtakingly beautiful golf courses, museums and zoo. Shillong has a different facet for everyone. Yumiam Lake, also known as Barapani, that is Big Water, is a spot around 15 km from Shillong, where a massive hydroelectric dam has been constructed across the Yumiam River stream. The lake is popular for the water sport and adventure facilities that it offers. Water cycling, scooting and boating are a few of the facilities available at the Yumiam Lake. Moving on to Shillong Peak, which is the highest point in Meghalaya. It's an ideal picnic spot offering breathtaking bird's eye view of the city and the scattered villages around the peak. If the view of the human abode below is breathtaking during daytime, then the view at nighttime is absolutely awe-inspiring. The city and other dwelling lights provide the ground below an aura of the night sky. A picturesque road leads us to Elephanta Falls, which is a collection of smaller falls. The Elephant Falls provides a unique sight wherein the water column carves out its way and surrenders to gravity at two successive locations. The gigantic stream accumulated just at the pinnacle comes crashing down the terrain and rebounds only to cover a short distance and once again leap into a daunting gorge. These are the Elephanta Falls. This name was given by the Britishers during their British rule. Britishers gave this name as these falls contained a smaller rock which was in the shape of elephant. That's why Britishers chose this name. But during the earthquake, this elephant shape of rock just vanished. But even then, tourists are visiting this place. These Elephanta Falls contain numerous range of falls, but these are smaller in numbers. The people of Meghalaya are extremely courteous and friendly, and any interaction with them is so bound to end in a laughter riot. These wonderful people are full of life, and the same is reflected in the products they offer. The hand-woven shawls, cane works, handicraft decoration, and the special orange flower honey. Each one of these offerings special and unique. Shillong still depicts its British-style architecture and monuments. It is also a major educational hub with variety of schools and colleges. The locals living around are known as Khasis. This is a matrilineal culture, means after wedding, the husband of youngest daughter lives with his wife's family. This place is also famous for its living bridges. Over hundreds of years, people have developed techniques for growing roots of trees into large bridges. The road leads us to one of the wettest places in the world, that is Cherrapunji. This word means land of oranges. The valleys around Cherrapunji are covered with lush and very diverse vegetation, containing numerous endemic species of plants. It holds two Guinness World Records for receiving maximum amount of rainfall in a single year. Cherrapunji is considered to be the world's most wettest place. This place has made world record 2 times. Its name has been mentioned in the Guinness Book of World Records. After this, Mawsynram has been recorded as the most wettest place. But even now, Cherrapunji is considered to be a place of several waterfalls, scenic beauty, and a wildlife. The drive from Assam's capital Guwahati through adventurous curves romance you like a journey to its final destination. Watts Lake. There is a story related to this lake. A Khasi prisoner, bored with the penitentiary route, requested the warden for some creative release by permitting him to create some construction over the Watts Lake. He was permitted to do so, and what stands today is a marvelous sight of the Watts Lake, or Pollock's Lake as the local prefer to call it. This artificial lake, lying beneath the Raj Bhavan, that is governor's residence, is located at the heart of the city and is extremely popular for its garden walks and boating. Moving through the town, this beautiful man-made lake is Watts Lake. It includes a musical fountain that runs upon various musical songs. This lake includes a variety of boating facilities and a range of colorful fishes. The lake is encircled by a winding walkway and is interspread with gently sloping flower beds and innovative illumination edged in by luxuriant greens. Like other hill stations, Shillong has its own attractions. The walking streets of markets are good spots for fashion-conscious, supperaholic and food lovers. The aroma of fresh flowers, Khasi ladies carrying their babies on their bags, the shared cabs and roadside momos, every little affair about the place is so mesmerizing that always remains fresh in your memories. Shillong has a great Western influence on its people. This is also reflected in its culture as well as its music. No doubt, Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, this is such a place from which nobody can get bored of. Truly, this capital still illuminates the light of this land. So friends and viewers, this is the time to say goodbye to Shillong, which is Scotland of the East and famous for its fine and juicy oranges.